27 November 2021, guys. This is next to the highway. I'm from Hubah. The rig is drilling for the foundation for the flyover. Yeah, for the Borneo. No, sorry, Borneo. Okay, and that's what they look like. Make a lot of noise when they shake the whatever it digs out from the ground down below. Stop for a while. Now it's pulling out the drill bit. It's pulling out the drill bit. There she goes. We got water inside also. Oh. Whatever it dug out from the bottom. And that's what it makes a hell of a noise. Shaking it out from the drill bit. I thought it sounded like a piling hammer, but it isn't. It's shaking the rubbish it got out from down below. Contain hard rocks and whatever from down below. Then it push it down the big hole again. So the diameter of that column, piled column, is a piled column, and it goes down into the hole. So the depth must be same as the height of that. Oh, some more. Same as the height of that. Oh, it's quite tall. So that's how deep the column is into the ground. And he goes down to drill some more. Definitely they drill until they reach very hard rock down below, very hard ground, and that's where the bridge or the overpass foundation will be lying. Otherwise, if you don't do that, the bridges and the overpass will just sink into the ground. We're just halfway. I bet the depth will be the same as the length of that drilling column. Come on, why are you rotating? You're already taking a sweet time, don't you? No wonder this is taking 20 years to complete. You're drilling at a snail's pace. Slower. Oh, the operator just went out from the cabin. What are you doing? Oh, another excavator is just shifting the mark out somewhere away from his drilled area. Boring, really.